In this video, I'm about to show you guys how to buy Solana coin on Bybit. So let's get started the video. So first of all, open up your Bybit app. So I am already on my Bybit app, and here you can see the asset options in the left right bottom of the corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and here you can see the all of your assets and funding. So for now, here you can see the convert option. Just simply tap on it, and now here you can see the from BTC to USDT. Just simply tap on the USDT option, and now here you can see the all of the crypto network. So simply search for Solana. So simply tap on the first one, and here you can see the Solana coins. So if you want, enter your BTC amount to buy Solana, and after it simply tap on the convert. So your buy BTC amount will be buy the Solana coin in your wallet. So that's how you can do it, guys. See you in the next video very soon.